Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Walmart and an Ulta haul. So I went yesterday. I went to look for new makeup. I just wanted to see if the drugstore had released or put out some makeup that I've seen on TikTok. And I did get lucky with some makeup, and I also found a little bit of like home decor, which I shouldn't be buying, but I just gotta help myself. And then I came across like a new body wash, which we'll get into that. So I don't want to spoil anything in the intro. You already know, grab your cafecito and let's jump right into today's Walmart/Target haul. I'm gonna start with my Walmart products first, since that's where I made my first stop. I found some new drugstore makeup and then I found some other stuff, but really quickly, I just had to show you guys this. I went into the garden section, which is usually on the very back of the Walmart store, and I found this. Look at how beautiful. Now, this isn't a vase. This is a planter. It says right here, Better Homes and Gardens. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't really say, but it is a planter. It even has a hole at the bottom where you can drain your water. Look, I can barely keep my kids alive, let alone a plant. So I am definitely more of a fake plant person. I just, this was so cute. I couldn't pass it up, and it was only like $7, like $7.30 some cents. Super, super affordable. It's such a cute vase, and I think I'm gonna put this on one of the shelves of this because I'm missing, do you guys see? There's an empty space right there that I need to fill up. So I'm definitely going to put this in there. I don't know what I'm going to add to it. I might just leave it as is since it is pretty big. But I just thought it was so cute and I had to show it to you guys. So I got that. And then before I went into the garden section, as soon as I arrived into Walmart, my Walmart has like, you know, like the vitamin section and everything. And then they put a lot of their like newly released products like towards the end. And this immediately caught my eye. So this is a new skincare, body care, hygiene line from Hairitage. So Hairitage by Mindy McKnight. She's actually a really big hairstyle influencer, whatever you call it, here on YouTube. She has these two beautiful twins, and they came out with a hair care line a while ago. I use their Light as a Feather leave-in conditioner as well as their split end conditioner, and then I also use their oil. When I saw that they released this, I was like, oh my gosh, I bet it smells just like their product, and it does. So I picked up the It's a Dream Creamy Body Wash. This one is in cherry and amber. What I love about this product is that it's like sulfate, phthalate, paraben, silicone, gluten, mineral, propylene, and cruelty-free. So it has a bunch of clean ingredients. It's also vegan. So if you love this brand for your hair and you love the smell, you're going to love this one. So I picked up the body wash as well as the body butter. This is the Give Me Some Skin Whipped Body Cream, the same scent, cherry and amber. They do have other scents, but this is just such a beautiful and classic scent to their line that I had to get it. They also have like an original body lotion, but I really wanted to try the whipped body cream because those tend to be a little thicker and a little more moisturizing, and these just smell so delicious. Look at that. I did open it and I used it last night because of course I'm impatient and I cannot wait. It's so fluffy, the consistency, and it smells so good. That's like my favorite part, just smelling delicious. So I did grab those. I think this one was $9 if I'm correct, which is not too bad. So $9 for the body cream and then about $8 for the body wash. So not too bad, and you are getting 14 fluid ounces out of this. So I got that. Let me grab my Walmart bag. Let's see, what did I get? Oh yeah, so I ended up getting some facial razors. I love to shave my stash, of course I need to. And then I do also shave my face. So I'm always keeping these in stock. These are the Touch Up facial razors, and these are only $5 and you get 5 of them. So they're really nice. I use them all the time and I go through these like crazy, so I'm always having to have some sort of backups, and now that I think about it, I should have grabbed it too, but here we are. And then I saw that Profusion had a brand new line of makeup, and I know you guys love when I review Profusion, and I'm usually all for it, but this line, like, I don't know, wasn't really speaking to me. So I only really got products that I feel I will actually use. So this is their, what is this? I think it's part of like, I don't know, maybe like Coachella vibes, but this is the packaging. They had a palette, they had glitter for the face and body, they had gemstones, they have eyeshadow bases, they have brushes, they have sponges, they had crazy lashes, they have a ton of stuff. So again, I only ended up picking up what I know I'm going to use, and I bought the It's a Vibe blush palette. From what I seen, they only had one color, which is this really pretty coral color. I'm gonna open it. Wow, the packaging is actually really cute. It comes with 3 colors, and they are all peachy toned, which is like right up my alley. It does look a little lighter on camera, but it's definitely more pigmented, especially this one. It's a really pretty tangerine. I will insert swatches. So I got that, and I have been wanting a blue mascara for the longest time because I love to add pops of color on the waterline, and sometimes adding like blue and matching it with blue mascara, I think it looks so pretty. And I don't own colored mascara, so I got this one. I think they also had orange, yellow, and green, I believe. I know they had yellow for sure, but I was like, I don't know about yellow, but the blue one for sure was like super cute. From Wet n Wild, they had this new 5-in-1 Essence Primer Plus Finish Powder. So it claims to smooth, condition, it refines the pores, it balances, and it's for pre and post makeup, and it's up to a 16-hour wear. It doesn't really have a lot of information on it. So last night I was going to jump on the Wet n Wild website to see what it was about, because it's a primer and a finishing powder, but it's like, okay, do I just use it as like a powder primer or what? So I will give you guys more information, and of course we're going to test all this out in a video, don't you worry. That was everything that I actually got from Walmart. I thought I got more, but that is everything that I got. And then from Target, so my Target, as of a few months ago, they started carrying Colourpop, and I've been meaning to go pick up some things, and I just haven't. So let me show you what I got. I didn't get much, but I did pick up a few items that just really caught my eye. First of all, I restocked on the the Other Girl Pro Conceal in Peach. Yep, it's a peach corrector. This is the one that I use every single time I do my makeup. It is my holy grail if you suffer from dark circles or discoloration. I swear by this. I use this all the time, and it works amazing. Let's see what else. Juno Co is a new brand to Target, of which I was pleasantly surprised. This is their microfiber lavender sponge. Do you guys remember when this went viral a few years ago? I think Nikki Tutorials made this product go viral. I don't remember if I loved this product or not, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna pick it up and see what we think. From Colourpop, I bought 2 items. They had a bunch of palettes, and I didn't know which one to buy. I didn't want to just buy just for the sake of buying. So I was like, you know what, let me pick up something that is going to be perfect for like the summer. So this is the In a Daze pressed powder palette. I do have to say that a lot of the products from Colourpop are always sold out. So that's pretty cool. It means that, you know, people are actually interested in buying Colourpop, and why shouldn't they? I love Colourpop. So this is what the palette looks like. It has tons of like really pretty purples, some blues, and then a really pretty like a periwinkle color. So I'm excited to use this palette. I love purples on my eyes. And then I picked up a Super Shock highlighter. This one is in the shade of Flexitarian. I don't know if I used to have this, but I remember at some point I did have a Colourpop highlighter. They also had the Lunch Money highlighter, which is one of their like best sellers, but that one was sold out. Oh, this is icy. Ooh, I hope this looks good on me because this is a little too white. Should we put a little? I hope that looks good on me because I know this is a little light for my skin tone, and it might make me look weird. It's pretty, okay. And I love the formula from the Super Shock shadows and their blushes, their bronzers, and these. So got that. And then the last thing that I got is the Milani Petal Primavera Baked Powder Blush. Now, I'm not sure if this was part of their Luminoso collection that they recently launched. I know that they released, like, I think an eyeshadow. Why am I like this? Why am I always breaking things? They released an eyeshadow palette and then like a face palette. They released, I think, new blushes. I'm not sure. Correct me if I'm wrong. But I don't remember seeing this blush color before. And this is what it looks like. It's a really, really pretty. I own the shade Luminoso and it is such a gorgeous color. This formula is really nice. That is a color. It's definitely on the lighter side. Ooh, that's so pretty though, but I think it'll still show up on my skin. Look at that. So that's what I got as far as makeup. Now from Target, I also got some throw pillows. I saw this pillow and I was like, oh my gosh, this is the perfect color. My room is, or my bedroom is black, whites, and gray. So very cool tones. And I felt like this was just gonna tie my bed together. It is so cute. And then I also got two of this. These are just plain black throw pillows, but I love the texture on the center, and with this one together it looks so cute. I will insert a picture or a little clip of how I arranged them in my bedroom, but I love those and I thought they were so cute. Let's see. I think that is everything, you guys. Wow, that went by pretty quickly. So that is everything that I hauled, or that's everything that I bought from Walmart and Target. Let me know if there's any like new makeup that you guys want me to maybe try out. I did go looking for the new Maybelline lifter glosses. They released like a collection, like a candy collection or something like that, and everything was gone. So I didn't have any luck there, but if you guys want any specific video, like a drugstore summer makeup tutorial, whatever, let me know in the comment section down below. Other than that, thank you so much for being here. I love you all. Stay safe, and until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!